Good day, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be treating how to build a website for free and also get a SSL certificate for your website for free. So basically I want to treat how to host a website for free, be it code, WordPress, anyone, and also how to get a domain name for the website, and also how to get a free SSL certificate for the website to make your website secured. Recently I was just working with some API and then I built something. So this was what I built. I built a real-time billionaire list. I used Forbes API for this part, and then it can be filtered according to the youngest to the oldest, men, women. I also did a currency converter here. There's also a market overview. I used TradingView API for this, whereby you can check some markets out and track their progress. So we have the features, bond, forex. Okay, so after doing all this, I just felt like, okay, I think I should host it, and then I don't want to go through the stress of maybe buying domain, hosting and all. So I was looking for a free domain, a free place I can get a domain, hosting and SSL certificate, of course. So I came across this beautiful website named Infinity Free. So I will drop the link in the description of this video. The name of the website is Infinity Free. So you can access it by going to infinityfree.com. The link will be in the description of this video. So just go to the website and then register. Click on sign up. After clicking on sign up, you get something like here, and then put your email, put your password, confirm your password, check this box, also check this box, and then sign up. But I already have an account, so I won't be going through all this. I will just go directly to login into my account. Okay, I think I'm inside now. So this was the first one I did. You can see my first web. So want to host my financial websites that I just built, want to host it and get a free domain name and SSL for it. So just come over here, create account. Okay, we can see different plans, but then I'll be going for the free plan, obviously. So you can check the specs out. If you see your spec, if you can see that your spec is not here, you can then go for this. My code does not contain any Python or Node.js, so I don't need it. So the thing is, you can use Infinity Free to host the backend, but the backend you can use is PHP. Infinity Free allows you to host your PHP code for free, and then you can host any static sites also on Infinity Free. So, and also of course you can host a WordPress website on Infinity Free because they have a software plus installer in Infinity Free. Click on create now. Okay, so I want to confirm that I'm a human, so I will check the box, and that's all. So I'll just say finance. Okay, let me see, Zyron finance. So this will be our domain name. So you can see we have many top level domain name we can choose from here. So we'll just choose another one, that might suit our site. So for me, I'll just go with this because it looks very random. So but then let's check the availability first. Okay, it's available. So this is our account label. You can just leave this as it is. This one is automatically generated. The password also, you can leave it as it is. For the email concept, I recommend you approve, then you create your account. So okay, our account has been created, so just finish. So Infinity Free do run ads on their website, but then they want to run ads on any website you host with them, and that's part of the reason I really like them. Unlike some others you run ads on the website you create with them, but for Infinity Free they just run it on their own website and they don't run it on the ones you create with them. So that's a great benefit. Okay, as you can see, they're setting up our account. So okay, I think it's done. So our site is ready now at this domain. So to get the SSL certificates, just click on manage, and then we'll come down here to SSL certificates. You click on it and then you follow the prompt, and then you get your SSL certificates all set. Click on back to accounts now, and then we'll click on file manager. So after clicking on file manager, you get something like here. This is the file manager. So also, if you don't want to use the default file manager, you can get your FTP information, the FTP details here, and then you can use FileZilla, anyone you feel like using to access your file, and then upload, delete, anything you want to do. So this is the FTP details. So okay, just come right here to home. So and then go to my file manager back. I'm in my file manager now. So you don't upload here. To upload, you go to the htdocs. So this is where you upload. So I want to upload my billionaire list and all these Yoko, that's the Zyron Finance. So just come down here, just come here, upload. So upload folder. Okay, so just come down here, projects, visits. Okay, so it's uploading. Okay, so all sets, everything has been uploaded. So it's in a directory bill list. Let me copy the domain name we have, and then we are just seeing the default page for Infinity Free, and then we're not seeing our website. So this is because our website was uploaded to a directory bill list /bill list. So to access our site, we'll go to /bill list. Okay, and you can see we are there. So this is no more on our local computer. It has been hosted live, and we have a domain for it. So the SSL certificates do take time to reflect when you get it, so it might not show now. It might take up to 2 hours. So as you can see, all our files, everything is intact. All our file is intact, just like that of our computer, based on for local computer, and then this is the one hosted online. So we have everything working perfectly. We are done with hosting our file on infinityfree.com. So we got a free hosting, got a free domain, and a free SSL certificate. Also, with Infinity Free, you can install WordPress and then host a WordPress website also using Infinity Free. So I'll drop a video on how to install WordPress on Infinity Free and then use WordPress to build your website on Infinity Free, all for free. Also, you can also connect your custom domain. For instance, if you bought a domain from a domain provider before and then you want to host it for free, you want to host on the domain for free, so you can connect your custom domain to Infinity Free and then host your website on Infinity Free for free, and then you connect your custom domain with it. So I'll cover this in the next video. I think this has brought us to the end of this short class. Please do to like, share and subscribe, and then drop your comments if you want me to make any tutorial on anything related to programming, technologies for programming, web development and all. Just do well to drop them in the comment section below. I'll read them and then attend to it promptly. Have a wonderful day.